Today we have a fun forest mobile, perfect for adding some charming decor to any child's room. Magical mushrooms, fresh pine trees, gentle foxes, and sweet deer frolic in enchanted forests in this sweet, whimsical woodland. Magic abounds in this exuberant collection of flora and fauna. Awaken to a mystical dream as moths and butterflies flutter and stars twinkle in Woodland Keeper by Maureen Cracknell. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AGF channel for more crafty sewing content. Here's what you'll need to get started. A fat quarter of fabric A, Awaken Forest Acorn in Flannel. A fat quarter of fabric B, Luminary Burst. A fat eighth of fabric C, Petit Twinklestar Ray. A fat quarter of fabric D, Wildwood Daybreak. Fabric E, Hunter Fields. Fabric F, Crème de la Crème. Fabric G, Plum Preserve. Templates: a branch or a dowel for hanging your mobile. Nylon thread, 2 at 40 inches and 1 at 49 inches. Stuffing, yarn or thread, a needle, and scissors. We're going to start by cutting out our fabrics using the templates provided. You'll need 4 templates of fabric A for the deer. You'll need 4 templates of fabric B for the fox. You'll need 4 templates of fabric B for the fox faces, 4 templates of fabric C for the mushroom, and 5 sets of 2 from fabric E for the trees. Place each applique on the front and back of each design using steam-a-seam and press to secure. Use a thin yard or floss to stitch the eyes of the animals. Stitch around the edges of the appliques to secure. Now we'll sew them together at 1/4 inch seam allowance and stuff. Use a nylon thread and a needle to sew the animals and trees together by drawing your needle up through the center of each and making knots at the beginning and end so they stay in place. We're going to space them approximately 4.5 inches apart. Once you have 3 lines with all the creatures sewn on them, attach them to a dowel or a branch. And your whimsical woodland mobile is complete. Hang it up and get ready for some wonderful story times. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing!